What is up, YouTube? Lately I've been getting so tired of seeing so many offers for products that are basically rehashed crap, where it's showing you how to teach somebody to make money online by teaching other people how to make money online by teaching other people how to make money online. It kind of goes in a big circle. Wouldn't it be nice to sell something real? That's what's so cool about AMZNG. Amazing. This is training with real stuff they can actually make real money from. Stay with me. My review is coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that is because I wear a fedora. Well, pretty much everywhere that I go, I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously? This is the third time today. He's been doing this all the time. It's annoying. I was starting to miss it because I hadn't done the videos in a while. That's getting annoying. Anyway, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is also I do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Miss Lemon. Actually, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. If you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop a new video. So thank you. Subscribe really doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're here on the sales page for Amzng. And this is a really cool product. Basically, he's going to teach you, this guy is Dan, he's British, and he's going to teach you how he's been able to make a killing on Amazon of all things. This is really weird to me because it's like, I tried Amazon many years ago. I made a couple of bucks on it, but the commissions were so low, I was like, what's the point? And so like a lot of other marketers, I moved on from Amazon. I said, what's the point? I'm not going to make any money from this thing.
By sending it straight to the heart of the Amazon rainforest.
No, I'm not talking about the Amazon rainforest. I'm talking about Amazon, the online, whatever. Anyway, so, but I moved on. And here is Dan really killing it on Amazon. I mean, wow. Okay, these numbers are really impressive numbers. And yeah, he says he went and gave up on it, and yeah, I gave up on it too. But apparently, $274,000 in income. I mean, that's just insane. And I really didn't believe that it was possible until I actually looked at his training, and I'll show you the members area right here. Okay, and he has certain methods that actually do work in order to actually bring you actual sales on Amazon. Okay. Obviously, people do make money on Amazon. I know a lot of people do it, but most people do it as a side thing. They don't do it as their primary method of making money online. And Dan is just absolutely killing it, making a small fortune on Amazon. And if you can capture just 1/10 of this amount of money, that is a full-time living already. I mean, seriously, he's doing $234,000. Who wouldn't want to be able to do 1/10 of that? Okay. Do 30 grand a month, 30 grand a year. Seriously, 30 grand a year, online, part-time. You don't have to go to an office. You don't have to do anything.
I have an office party, big office party I need to go to.
Yeah, well, most offices aren't that fun. Anyway, but seriously, like, this is really cool. And it's a very simple process. You can see it's a very easy, simple, basic members area. There's not a whole lot here to see. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. So am I going to give a tip of my hat to Dan? Yes, I am. Dan did an amazing job putting this thing together. And I am just shocked that he's able to do this kind of money on Amazon. I am ready to jump back into Amazon after watching the training because this is so cool. And it's something that a lot of people have given up on. And if you don't give up on it, if you actually get into the amazing training, you're going to be able to start making some serious money doing this. So I do encourage you to go ahead and grab amazing. It is a really cool product. You absolutely are going to love it.